The hidden exhaustion of being dependable. Some people slowly become the emotional center of every environment they enter. They remember details, absorb pressure quietly, anticipate problems before they escalate, and keep things functioning even when situations become difficult. Their reliability creates stability for everyone around them, which is why dependable people often become deeply valued inside teams, families, and friendships. Over time, though, dependability starts carrying a quiet emotional cost. Reliable people are expected to adjust faster, cope better, and remain steady even under pressure because they can carry responsibility calmly. The emotional weight they experience internally often becomes difficult for others to fully notice. When consistency becomes the only version people see, reliable people often stop being viewed as individuals actively making effort. Instead, they slowly become associated with steadiness itself. Their calmness becomes expected, while the emotional work required to maintain it fades into the background. The availability heuristic explains part of this pattern. Human beings rely heavily on the information most easily available in their minds while forming impressions about others. When someone repeatedly appears capable and emotionally composed, that version of them becomes the dominant image people remember. When exhaustion becomes harder to notice, dependable individuals often continue functioning even when emotionally overwhelmed. They complete responsibilities, remain composed in difficult moments, and continue supporting others despite feeling stretched internally. Because they rarely visibly collapse, people around them assume they are managing well. Confirmation bias reinforces this cycle. People naturally notice evidence that supports what they already believe while overlooking evidence that challenges it. As a result, calmness becomes easier to register than exhaustion. The more reliable someone appears externally, the easier it becomes for the emotional strain to disappear from view. When systems begin depending on one person, these patterns become especially visible inside long term systems such as workplaces, families, and close relationships. Reliable people slowly become emotional infrastructure. They stabilize difficult situations, absorb tension quietly, and prevent problems from escalating, which gradually makes their role structurally necessary. Status quo bias explains why these arrangements become difficult to change. Human beings naturally prefer systems that already feel familiar and functional, even when those systems become uneven over time. Once someone becomes the dependable person inside a group, people unconsciously continue relying on them because the arrangement already works. When emotional labor becomes invisible, much of reliability is built through invisible emotional work. It involves managing atmospheres, anticipating reactions, remembering what matters to people, and adjusting before conflict spreads. Because this labor often prevents visible problems rather than producing visible outcomes, it rarely receives the same recognition as measurable contributions. Self service bias deepens this invisibility. People naturally experience their own effort more vividly than the unseen effort happening around them. As a result, dependable individuals often carry far more emotional coordination than others consciously recognize, not necessarily because people are uncaring, but because invisible labor is psychologically harder to notice. When reliability becomes difficult to let go of. What makes these patterns even more complicated is that dependable people themselves often struggle to step away from the role. Over time, reliability becomes emotionally tied to identity and self worth. Being useful starts feeling connected to being valued, while disappointing others begins creating emotional discomfort. The sunk cost fallacy explains part of this attachment. The more time, energy, and identity someone invests into becoming dependable, the harder it becomes to stop carrying the responsibility. Reliability slowly stops feeling like behavior that can be adjusted and starts feeling like continuity that cannot easily be broken. Reliability itself is not the problem. Dependable people can create trust, continuity, and emotional safety in ways that deeply shape relationships, teams, and families. The problem begins when consistency becomes so expected that the emotional effort behind it disappears from view. Eventually, exhaustion comes not only from carrying too much, but from feeling emotionally unseen while carrying it. Sometimes, the people who look the strongest externally are simply the people who become highly practiced at holding everything together quietly.